Welcome to Taste of Portugal. This is more than just seafood rice. It's a taste of Portugal's coastline, a dish rich with flavor, tradition, and soul. Welcome to Arroz de Marisco, the ultimate Portuguese comfort food. Hi friends! Today we're diving into one of Portugal's most iconic dishes, Arroz de Marisco. Think creamy rice, fresh shellfish, bold aromatics, and the kind of flavors that make you feel like you're dining by the Atlantic. Let's get cooking. Here's what you'll need. Fresh clams and mussels, tender shrimp, squid rings, ripe tomatoes, garlic, onion, Carolino rice, good olive oil, white wine, and plenty of fresh herbs. Simple ingredients, big coastal flavor. Start by steaming the clams and mussels in a splash of water until they open. Remove most from their shells and save a few for garnish. Don't forget to reserve that flavorful liquid. It's liquid gold. In a wide, heavy pan, heat olive oil and sauté finely chopped onion and garlic until soft and golden. This is your flavor base. Add your ripe chopped tomatoes and a touch of paprika. Let them cook down until rich and thick. Then deglaze with white wine. This adds depth and brightness. Stir in your short grain rice. Then slowly ladle in the hot seafood stock, a bit at a time, letting it absorb while the rice cooks. Stir gently and don't rush it. This part builds the creamy texture. Once the rice is nearly ready, add the squid first, then shrimp, then the clams and mussels. Cook just until the seafood is tender and the rice is rich and brothy. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of chili if you like it spicy. Finish with a generous handful of chopped herbs for freshness. Serve your Arroz de Marisco hot and hearty, straight from the pot. Garnish with shell-on clams and a sprinkle of herbs. Pair it with a crisp, chilled Vinho Verde or a white from the Alentejo region. Creamy, briny, herby, and absolutely packed with the essence of the sea. This, my friends, is the heart of Portuguese cooking on a plate. Did you enjoy this traditional Portuguese recipe? Then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your version of acorda, and don't forget to subscribe for more authentic Portuguese cooking. See you in the next video.